I'll show you how to enable or disable the remote lock on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and select password and security, and then here you should see mobile anti-theft. Tap on that, and then under mobile anti-theft select theft protection. Then you want to scroll down and find remote lock, so tap on remote lock. And then to enable remote lock, simply tap on use remote lock, just like that, and it's going to be enabled just like that. So how it works is, on any device you go to android.com/lock and you enter your device's phone number to lock its screen. So this doesn't require any sign-in or Google account, but if you enable this option, then it's going to you're going to go to this site and it's going to lock your phone automatically if it was stolen or if you lost it. And to disable that option, simply toggle off use remote lock, and verify yourself using your PIN, password or pattern, and it's going to be disabled just like that. So this is a useful feature if you've lost your phone or misplaced it, for you to lock your phone and protect your data. That's basically it. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.